want to get him behind him or not? Mate, that is an unmarked hopper. Let him in. Kia, let the fucking copper in. Fucking suck shit. That's what you fucking get for fucking sitting in the right lane.
They're not cheap, but they are very damn good. Since Derby Street.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah.
So, they're not cheap, but they are very damn good.
Worth it.
Oh, what the fuck are you doing, stupid?
Well, you got to have.
Put your helmet on, kid.
You got to.
Like, seriously.
What a kid.
Christmas tree. Oh, and happy Christmas from Scouts Victoria. Stoppage time goals, game winning threes, new personal bests. The first place we
Dashcam.
go, Sports Direct.
There's one for you, Scotty.
Off your first purchase at sportsdirect.com.
Oh, made it.
Code SD20. Sport starts here. Upgrade your summer at Liquorland with Flybys.
Ah, stop them! Stop them! Fuck! Fuck! I can't fucking move, idiot.
Skeptical challenges, that.
Batches, played Australia A, young
Wow,
Victorian
you
quick
suck.
bowler. Yeah, his field numbers are excellent. Early in his career, 20 plus games in, taking his wickets at...
You should mind your business.
Yeah,
I'm in the shade.
Xavier Bartlett, who's been in the white ball game.
If you can't parallel park, you can't fucking drive.
Charlie Meredith has been around for a while as well. So it's...
Bravo! Well said.
Sir, are you classified as human?
Negative. I am a meat popsicle.
I'm sure there's shit they can do. You have time to lean, you have time to clean. Don't you dare! You're going on Scotty too.
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
Oh, there he goes. Bye. Fucking idiot. What the fuck? Dashcam, dickhead. What the fuck? How was that my fault? I was doing the speed limit. That'll be on there too. He fucking moved right over on top of my car.
Yeah, but see, it's not like before. It was literally back to those lights. Stopped.
Oh my god.
Huge.
And I'm just thinking, I just want to quit now. I don't want to have to lock horns with this woman every single time I go up. And they're putting me. Idiot!
Another handbag on wheels. What a
Get some croissant. Oh my god, what an idiot. Whoa. I didn't think this was...
Whoa. What the fuck?
You can't turn there because I never realised, but when you're turning from there, you can't turn this way from that side of the road.
That's illegal.
It is. I didn't realise.
In your eyes. Because the car had right away.
Ah! Oh.
Wow.
juices. This person really loves juices. Yeah, they sure do. This lady, and she got scratches on her back. Yeah, she's
I had to do that. I really did have to do
She
that.
only says wind. Yeah.
Oscar. Oh, we'll hit the old one again.
Manual recording will now start.
This is one for Scotty's dash cams.
He comes to Raj over the wicket to Smith, the defence back down the pitch. Smith is
Oh.
He can pick him up and put a TV cover.
Nice, mate, nice.
That's what he was saying, I think.